Hello and welcome to this live stream tour today of number 18 Iliffe Close here in Reading. So what we have here is an end townhouse, 3-storey as you can see, and a very quiet cul-de-sac. I'm just going to pan round to my left hand side just to give you an idea of just how big the cul-de-sac is. That's the end of the cul-de-sac just beyond the cars there. And if I just do a full circle all the way around, this shows you the entrance to Iliffe Close, which is just off Southampton Street. And then continuing full circle back to number 18. So as you can see, this property, we've got parking in front of the property. There's the car there with also a pea shingle area for a second car as well. You have got the garage as well, so let's make our way in and I'll give you a tour inside. So as we're walking around, if you have any questions, please do type away and I'll try and answer them as best as I can. I am actually making a recording of this, so that will be saved online later on today. And last of all, if you should decide you'd like to actually take a look inside this property, then in the corner of your screen you'll see a button that says request a private inspection. Click on that button and an email will be sent to us automatically telling us that you want to have a look at it, and then we'll give you a call and we'll get you booked in. So obviously we're in the entrance hall. Door on my left here takes you through to the garage, so you've got direct access to the garage. That's quite handy if you should use it for storage. On the right hand side here, this door is the downstairs WC. You can just see the staircase there with a cupboard underneath, and the door ahead of us takes you into the kitchen diner. I'm just going to turn round just to give you a better idea of the front door where we've just come in, because just to the side of the front door we've got a recess here. You can see a mirror on the wall and also space for coats and boots, that sort of thing. So first of all, I'll just show you the garage as it's right here. So as I said, direct access to the garage from the entrance hall. So great for storage, which is what most garages are used for. Certainly this is a decent single garage. Looks like we have a radiator just under there and a water tap. But certainly potential for a vehicle, but alternatively storage, as you can see the current owner uses it for. So back into the entrance hall, and I'll start by showing you the WC just here. So it's a white suite. You can see the low WC, the radiator there. The window at the side, that's a double glazed sealed unit UPVC window. And a wash basin to my left. So quite a nice downstairs WC. And now through to the kitchen diner. So first of all, you can see we've got plenty of space here for a dining table. More space than even they're using. We've got the French doors, UPVC double glazed French doors onto the patio and the garden, which I'll show you slightly later. But spinning round, you get a really good idea just how big this kitchen is. Really good size, lots of units, integrated appliances as well. Quite nice tiled splashbacks. The built-in oven with the 4-ringed gas hob that has a hood above. And the cupboard in the corner, eye level unit there, that's where the gas boiler is located. You may hear it's just switched itself on. And quite a nice tiled floor as well. So really nice size kitchen dining room. Let's just give you an idea of the view out the back through this window of the garden. So I'll show you that. Well, I'll tell you what, actually, I'm going to change my normal routine. I'm going to show you the garden now, only because we've got 3 levels here, so clearly if I'm at the top level it will take a while to get back down, so let's just focus on the garden as we're here. Big deck patio here, side gate as you can see, fencing with concrete posts, quite nice, very sturdy, and then as you can see we've got well actually that's an astro lawn. Really handy for all year. Let me just step down here, turn around, just to give you an idea of the back of the house. It's obviously quite tall. Can't really see the additional level, but that is the back of the house. Looks like we've got a side gate. We've got a shed, small shed just down the side access there, hiding away. Okay, so that's the garden. Now let's take you upstairs to the next level and show you the lounge, and then bedrooms, bathrooms, and the rest of it. So just I have got a question that's come into me that's asking me about walking to, well, I presume you mean the town centre. It says the centre, so that'll be Reading town centre. To be honest, from this property, walking down to the town centre, the Oracle and everything else, it's 10 minutes. It really is that close. You wouldn't know it though, if I'm honest. It's such a quiet little cul-de-sac, but very close to Reading town centre. So we're in the lounge. Now, as you can see, we've got 2 lots of French doors. This one takes you to a Juliet balcony, but this one here takes you to an actual balcony. And just the view out the front is the entrance to Iliffe Close. And then that just gives you an idea of just what's off to the right, to the end of the cul-de-sac. So let's just focus on the lounge itself now. It's an L-shaped room. With an L-shaped room, it does give you more flexibility for furniture. Okay, so that's the lounge. So back onto the landing here, this first landing here, we've got a bedroom ahead of us there. You've got a bathroom just to my left, and then also this is a deep built-in storage cupboard. So let's first of all focus on the bathroom here. White suite, as you can see. The wash basin, the low-level WC, and the bath. Bath has got a shower screen and a fitted shower to it as well. Nice tiling, and also the flooring is tiled as well. Big mirror on the right-hand side, and storage cupboard eye level there. So quite a nicely finished bathroom. And then this room here, this would be, I'm guessing, the 3rd bedroom. You can see we've got a double bed in situ there, so that probably just shows you how big this room is. It's the full width of the house, even to the point where over here we've got a desk, study area. Let me just try and stand back. So we've got that area there, and then spinning round the bedroom area there. So lovely size 3rd bedroom. And now let's just take you up to the top level, where we've got the master bedroom having an ensuite, so the 2nd bathroom, and also the 2nd bedroom. On the landing here, we've got, this is a cupboard, it's the airing cupboard. So we have here a Megaflow water system, so that should bring you really good pressure. The Megaflow water system is always recognised to be one of the best on the market. There's a side window there, and I'm just going to point upwards because you've got access to the roof space there with a fitted loft ladder. So 2 more bedrooms to go. This is the master bedroom, as you can see, cracking size, really big. Front aspect window there. But you've also got built-in wardrobes here. And then in the corner over there, the ensuite shower WC. So we've got the shower cubicle here. Nicely tiled, quite a big shower as well. It's got a wash basin there, pedestal wash basin. There's a heated towel rail, and then the low-level WC to my left-hand side. Again, nice tiling, and just point out we've got a big mirror on the wall there, and also a nice tiled floor as well. So Both bathrooms very nicely finished. One other view of this bedroom from this angle, just to show you the size. And then the other bedroom is here. Again, full width of the house. This would appear to be the same size perhaps as the bedroom below. So bedroom 2 and 3, really decent sized double rooms, because this room here, looking the other way, we've got built-in wardrobes across that full wall. Good storage. So that shows you the 3 bedrooms, the ensuite, the family bathroom. As you can see, decoration, very smart. Nice neutral decoration, in fact. It certainly gives any purchaser the ability to change the colour schemes very easily. So I'm just going to return downstairs to finish the tour. I have just asked someone, I have just had a message from someone saying, can they have another little look at the lounge? Yeah, which I can do whilst I'm here. So it's an L-shaped lounge with the 2 sets of French doors, one to a Juliet balcony on the right, one to an actual balcony on the left. There you go. So yeah, we'll just return to finish the tour on the ground floor in the kitchen. So that's the tour of number 18 Iliffe Close. And if you'd like to take a look inside now, last chance just to click on the request a private inspection button, and that will tell us that you'd like to view it. We'll give you a call and we'll book in a viewing. If you are watching a recording of this, then obviously you'll need to telephone the office. Telephone number's on the website. Any questions, do ask for me. My name is Gary, and alternatively we'll look forward to showing those around that want to take a look inside. So it just remains me to say thank you very much for watching.